Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can change your Gmail name or Gmail display name. You cannot change your Gmail email address name, which is in your email, but you can change your Gmail display name. I'm gonna show you how. Go to your Gmail account first, like this. Then you'll find here a settings option. Click on this, then go to see all settings, this one. Now you'll find here accounts and import, the fourth option. Click on this and scroll down. You'll find here email, send mail as this one. So just click on this edit info. Now you'll find here your display name, which is this one, but you can change customly. Just toggle down this and write here your name which you want to be displayed. Okay, now if you click on save changes, you can see that your display name has changed. Okay, so guys, this is how you can change your Gmail name. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.